Alma of the Airwaves and Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is Saturday, April 10th. A beautiful, beautiful day in Toronto and Mississauga. Why is this so important? Okay, do you remember my dearest friend Alicia, who gives me all her beautiful clothes? Her boutique used to be Alicia Watson. I remember we talked about this last year. Here is my new Tommy Hilfiger dress of the season. And now we decided that her boutique is going to be called Alicia Christina, which is her middle name. Ali Christina is the name of the new best boutique in Canada for me. Okay. Today, curbside style, she gave me not one, not two, but 26 pieces of beautiful clothing. Every time I wear something that she gave me, I'm gonna definitely announce it. So this new dress for the spring is from her. Thank you, Ali. You make my day. Always. You make my season. You make me always very, very elegant. Keep shopping, my dear, because you're the most elegant woman I know in Canada. Appreciate it. Project of the day. I got this. I'm going to change it. I got this in Winners because it was such a good price for the canvas. So I'm going to paint all over it. Have a wonderful day. Ali made my weekend for sure. And we're going to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. In the video, you're going to see Lucky's washroom in the park. It is as if there is a sign in the sky. Lucky's washroom. That's the only spot he does his business. It's beautiful. Look at the beauty of it. We move back to the Mediterranean. Here is what we're gonna enjoy, like our balcony for the summer.